So, this is my hike this morning. Beautiful. Rock red canyon open space. Awesome variety in exercise. You know, try new things. You know what I noticed? I've been volunteering at VBS. And these little kids, 3 or 4, they have so much energy. And if you watch them, they're moving all the time. All the time. I mean, they may take a little rest, but most of their activity is running, skipping, jumping, horseplay. They're always moving. And they eat a lot. My neighbor, this little kid, he comes over every couple hours and wants something to eat. And he is skinny. Very hyper though.